أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ذلك بأن الله مولى الذين آمنوا وأن الكافرين لا مولى لهم. That is because Allah is the guardian protector of the believers, and while those who deny the truth have no protector. إن الله يدخل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار والذين كفروا يتمتعون ويأكلون كما تأكل الأنعام والنار مثوى لهم. In fact, Allah is the one who admits those who believe and engage in doing righteous deeds into gardens of bliss beneath which rivers flow, wherein those who are bent at denying the truth, even though they may enjoy their burden-bearing comforts for a while, and eat just as any kettles eat in the downward, but then hellfire is surely their ultimate stay. وكأي من قرية هي أشد قوة من قريتك التي أخرجتك أهلكناهم فلا ناصر لهم. Truly, how many towns have we obliterated that had more strength than your hometown that drove you out, and when our command came in, they had no savior to help them. أفمن كان على بينة من ربه كمن زين له سوء عمله واتبعوا أهواءهم. Therefore is one whose faith is found on clear evidence coming from his Lord similar to the one whose evil actions were made to look right to him, and who only pursues his own inclinations and passions. مثل الجنة التي وعد المتقون فيها أنهار من ماء غير آسن وأنهار من لبن لم يتغير طعمه وأنهار من خمر لذة للشاربين وأنهار من عسل مصفى ولهم فيها من كل الثمرات ومغفرة من ربهم كمن هو خالد في النار وسقوا ماء حميما فقطع أمعاءهم. The parable of paradise the pious believers were promised. Therein are gardens where rivers of pure non-putrid water flow, an uninterrupted flow of milk which taste never changes, river of most delicious non-inebriating wine for those who wish to drink from it, and a continuous flow of purified honey, along with all kinds of fruits, and above all, supreme forgiveness from their Lord. Can such be compared to someone who lives in hellfire eternally and whose drink of boiling water cuts down through their bowels? ومنهم من يستمع إليك حتى إذا خرجوا من عندك قالوا للذين أوتوا العلم ماذا قال آنفا أولئك الذين طبع الله على قلوبهم واتبعوا أهواءهم. And among such ones are the hypocrites who do come sometimes to listen to your discourse, but once they leave their company, they leave your company and ask with scorn those who were endowed with knowledge, what did he talk about earlier? Such are the ones whom Allah has sealed their hearts and who follow their own whims and passions. وَالَّذِينَ اهْتَدُوا زَادَهُمْ هُدًى وَآتَاهُمْ تَقْوَاهُمْ. As to those who found guidance in what was brought down from their Lord, Allah increases their ability to follow His guidance and He inspires them their piety. O my Allah Pak, O my Lord, please grant us the knowledge and wisdom of your holy book, as well as give us the courage and confidence to apply this wholesome knowledge unto ourselves and pass it on to others. Ameen Ya Rabbul Alameen. Thank you, my Allah Pak. Thank you, my Lord.